All right, right now we want to take you back outside for another live look, this time in Norwich.
Yeah, Fox 61's Victoria Anderson has had so much wind to deal with, and, well, I'm not seeing a whole bunch at the moment.
Yeah, Tim, I took my scarf off so you could see the wind blowing through my hair, but as soon as I did that, the wind stopped. So it's not letting me have my Beyonce and the fans moment, but the wind's calmed down a little bit. It's snowing again, so it's been on and off for the past couple hours, and I'm not a meteorologist, but I can tell you it's cold. Very, very cold. But what I'm here to talk to you about is we're in one of the neighborhoods in Norwich where people are just starting to get outside of their houses, shoveling their cars, and removing those inches of snow on top of those cars, which we do not want to see when we're driving. But I wanted to talk to you guys about trash collection. Public Utility Works for the city yesterday said that trash collection would not happen on Monday as it normally did, instead happening on Tuesday. We haven't received any updates on that on their website, but that is still hopefully the plan. They told people to bring in their trash cans like this family did so they didn't get lost in the street or run over by the plows as they were working to clear the street. They will post updates on any trash pickup continuing throughout the week, but they said if it's not an emergency, do not call the Public Works phone number. Their teams are out here working. We've seen so many crews working through the city. We've seen a lot of first responders too, so don't overcrowd those lines if you don't have to. And right now, the plan for Norwich is trash pickup is tomorrow if you can get to your trash cans. Back to you guys.